Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove PIN on Amazon Prime Video or to disable it. So when you open your Prime Video, make sure you log into your account. Once you log in, you'll see something like this. Here, you need to go to your profile icon, click on it. When this drops down, make sure you go where it says Manage Profiles. Here you will need to select the profile that you want to remove the PIN code from. So you can select it here and click on it. Once you click on it, then you see this menu. Here you need to go where it says Profile PIN and Locks. Go and click Manage. When you click Manage, make sure you enter the PIN code of the profile. Once you do that, you see this. And from here, this is where you can disable the PIN code. Where it says Profile Lock, make sure you toggle this off. And then after you do that, you click on Save and you're done.